Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Dama and today I have a haul for you guys, and this shopping that I did was for Black Friday. With Forever 21, with a $100 purchase, you got 20% off, I believe. And I did buy these items at Forever 21. They were all at a really good deal. And I also did Fashion Nova because I did need some jeans, so I did both of those. So if you guys want to see the clothing that I bought, keep on watching. I will be showing as well how they look on. This is a new t-shirt that I got yesterday at J. Crew. I'm a huge J. Crew person, and this was like $4. It was on clearance and it had extra 60% off, so this was a really good deal. And I tucked it in with some Fashion Nova jeans that you guys will be seeing. So first I'm going to start with, I have this brush, Morphe brush that I'm holding right now. So first I'm going to show this really cute t-shirt that I bought. I love Gremlins, the movie. It's a movie from either the late 80s or 90s. And I do remember seeing this when I was a kid, so it does remind me of my childhood. I'm not a huge red person, but I had to just because I love Gizmo. Gizmo's so cute. I don't know, he just looks so cute. I wish I had like a real pet that looked just like him. So it's red, it's cotton, and this is a size medium. I didn't want it too small just in case I wanted to wear it with some black leggings, make it look a little more casual and laid back. So this is the shirt, and it's like that, and it has Gizmo. It says, "What you see isn't always what you get." So it's so cute. It was $20 I believe, and no, $14 and 20% off on top of that. So that was a really good deal, and it's a nice casual piece to add to my closet. And this is a medium. It does fit kind of like a large, so it's kind of a like traditional shirt, but it is oversized, but that is the look that I wanted. So this one's super cute. So if you like Gizmo and you guys like Gremlins, make sure to check out Forever 21 before they sell out, because I have never seen like a Gremlins shirt like me shopping. I do have a vintage one that I bought years ago at a thrift store, and it's all like really, you could tell that it's really used, and I can't get rid of it just because I can't find more like Gremlin shirts. So it is a really good piece for my closet to have, and I'm super excited to be wearing it as well. And I'm also a huge Snoopy person. If you guys don't know this, you know it now. I love Snoopy, and I decided to get this kind of cropped. I don't know if it's cropped, but it is a little shorter than a typical t-shirt. It says cool, and it has Snoopy. He looks like my dog. He looks like Dali. So cute. If you don't know who Dali is, go to Instagram, scroll, and check him out. It's the black and white one, and he's a Jack Russell. So it's this one right here. This is 100% cotton, and it is peanuts. And this is a medium as well. I was going for that oversized look, and I can wear this with some cute leggings, my Nikes, and I'm good to go. A nice beat on the face, and it look extra cute. So I really love this one. This one was $14.90, 20% off on top of this one. I have worn this one already. This one I have not worn yet. So another staple item that I bought as well in this transaction, I got a simple black midi dress. I really loved it. I got it in a size medium. I'm not typically a size medium, but I didn't want it to be too like tight. I want to wear it with like a long oversized sweater. Long oversized sweater, which I did buy last time, a black oversized one, and a dress very similar to this one. I'm gonna go grab them to show them to you guys. It's a simple black dress, and it has a slit in the back, which obviously makes it easier to walk in, because these midi dresses kind of go after like couple inches below the knee, so it's kind of constricting your walk. So that slit does really make it easier to walk in. This is a size medium, and this one was $14.90, and again the 20% off on top of this, and it is a really nice, comfortable, stretchy cotton. Let me go get that sweater that I have actually in here. 1 second. So I was able to find the sweater. This one also I got at Forever 21, and it's a simple black long sweater. And I have worn this one. It's really, really long. It's below the knee. So it's like this. This is 100% cotton. And I paired it with this one because it looks so, so cute with a pair of black heels. So this is it. This is also a size medium. I am typically a small, but like I said before, I don't want them too tight. I kind of want a little bit of wiggle room. So this one, this color is so, so pretty. I thought it was going to be the same one, but it is actually different fabric, but it is the same style. It has a little thicker strap, but both of them are very, very comfortable, very convenient. And like I said, I can wear both with that really long sweater, make it look really casual and sexy at the same time. So these I really recommend. Just search midi dress and you will find a ton of them at Forever 21, especially for the price. They're really, really affordable, and you can use them like a lot. Like you can make them, you can just use them like this if you want to look a little sexier, like for the summertime, or for the winter when it's a little colder, wear a little sweater on top, a blazer, and you are good to go. So these I highly recommend to everyone. And they're midi, so they're kind of long, a little bit conservative, so they're really cute. Anyways, so next, this jacket, because I have been wanting a long Levi's jacket or a jean jacket, and it's not just a jean jacket, it's a long jean jacket. So I can pair this one with that kind of like brown dress. I can pair it with that. I can obviously pair it with this black one. I can pair it with these jeans that you'll see later, which are kind of like a green olive fabric. So it's so, so cute. I really loved it, and the more I wash it and wear it, it'll get like more distressed. It's so pretty and long. And there you go, look, this is how it looks from the bottom, and it's below, wait, is it? It's a little bit above my knee, so it's so pretty. It's nice, and it's not too, this is a small, but it is kind of a medium, like it fits like a medium, but I really do like that look where it's not like too tight. So it does fit like a medium to me. I still like the look. I like it kind of like slouchy, and it does have these pockets. You can actually put your hands in them because sometimes there's like faux pockets, and I don't like that. So it is nice that it is like real pockets in the jacket. So I really like this one as well. Something else that I bought that wasn't Forever 21 or for Black Friday is this red Banana Republic dress. It was, let's see how much it was. Regular price, $118. Whoa, that's a lot, but it is a very pretty, flattering, conservative dress. It was on clearance for $52.99, and I'm pretty sure, I think it was either 20 or 30% off. So it was $31. It is a very, very pretty dress. So it looks like this on the top, kind of like a scooped neck from the top. It has this peekaboo in the back, which is kind of long now that I see it. Has the zipper on the back. It is pleated from the back, which accentuates your waistline. So it looks like this, and the bottom is flared out. So it is an A-line dress. And I really liked it because we are having a Christmas holiday party for work, and I wanted something conservative but still cute. So this one is perfect. I am going to be pairing it with a black belt, and I'm good to go. And heels, I'm sure I have some nude heels that I can wear, or black heels as well. So this one was super cute. I always recommend clearance. You guys know I'm a clearance queen, just because you can find really good deals. And like this dress, I wanted to buy a dress for the party, but I wasn't like scouting for it. And we happened to go to Banana Republic. I checked the clearance just to check it, and fortunately I was able to find a really cute dress for our party. And now for Fashion Nova, I bought 5 5 pairs of jeans, guys, and I used the code that they had for Black Friday. It was up to 80% off. I paid, I think it was $84 in total for 5 pairs of jeans. That is amazing. That's a super good deal. Just because I have bought jeans before. I think it was like a year and a half ago that I bought some Levi's and they were 50 bucks. So right now I got 5 jeans for about 83 bucks, which is amazing. And I already know that I like Fashion Nova and what size I am as well. So the first pair that I got is, all of these are in a size 3 and they're true to size if you're wondering. And this one is Squat Like That Booty Lifting jeans. And these are originally $24.99. They were way cheaper than that, but $24.99 is still a good price for some jeans. So this is a color. I don't have like light colored jeans, but I did decide to get these. These are really cute. They have this in the back, which if you can see, you can probably see closer. It has a really good curve, like the stitching, how they're made. It has a curve where it accentuates your butt, and it has these little kind of like little pieces of fabric that were sewn to kind of accentuate and make your butt a little more lifted. So these are so cute. I still have to try them on. I'm wearing some right now and they fit perfect. And they actually don't have pockets, which is fine, but at least it has these back pockets. And these are so cute. I really like the color. And all of these are high-waisted. I prefer high-waisted over like kind of low-rise jeans. So this is the first pair. This is a very traditional color of jeans. And this one is, which one's this one? Booty, Booty, Booty Everywhere Shaping Denim. So they're very similar to the last ones. The color is obviously much darker. You can totally wear this with some black, anything black, like a black shirt, black heels, tennis shoes, and they are the same. So they're high-waisted, and these were $20. That's so good. So they look like that in the back. They also have like one kind of like pleat here, and all of this is made to kind of fit your body better, because buying jeans is really hard, or at least for me, just because my waist, I don't know, they never fit like I want them, and they're never like stretchy enough, and they always get like saggy from the back. I'm sure a lot of you guys have go through that as well. So these jeans are so good because they stretch a lot. Look at that. They stretch a lot. They're really comfortable. They're high-waisted, and they make you look like you have a body. So these are also another good one. I really like this color. And now these seem, oh wow, these seem way more high-waisted than those two that I just showed you. These are Iced Latte Please ankle jeans. And these are $24.99. These are kind of a more of a washed out look. These look way more high-waisted. And they have that there. And the back looks like this. So these are a little more kind of like basic. I really like these just because these are really high-waisted. These are also really good. I love these. And I also wanted to change it up and have some black jeans. These are, oh, interesting. These actually don't say Fashion Nova on the tag. It says UWJ Los Angeles, and they're 3/4. Ah, interesting. I've never bought jeans from Fashion Nova and they don't say Fashion Nova. These are style UJD8, which I don't think that was the style that said on the website. But anyways, these are black and they're also high-waisted. They look very Fashion Nova-like. They're really high-waisted. They're hippie. And they're black jeans, so these for sure will definitely be used a lot because I wear a lot of black, especially for work. And you can wear these to go out with a nice cropped top. You can wear them with some boots, sandals, heels, anything. And obviously all of these are skinny on the bottom. So that is it for the haul. I really recommend Fashion Nova for jeans because they are very flattering to your body. If you if you struggle buying jeans, I highly recommend you going to the website. Like you just saw right now, they are very affordable. They last a pretty decent amount of time. I've had just one pair of Fashion Nova jeans and I've had them for about a year and a half. And they still look fine, but I still wanted to buy some extra ones just because I already knew that they fit so well. I've never had jeans that fit like these Fashion Nova jeans. So I highly recommend for you guys to go fashionnova.com. I will be linking everything as well. For Forever 21 as well, check out, they always have really good items that are really affordable. And also check out Forever 21. I've been buying Forever 21 since I was like a teenager. I remember my sister would go to Forever 21, so it is kind of like a store that I've always gone to. It's not my favorite store just because sometimes the quality isn't there, but it is very affordable for very like simple and basic items that I like to buy there. And if you guys have any recommendations for any other stores that you guys want me to shop in, let me know down below, or any other jeans or I don't know, anything that you recommend, let me know down below. And thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have an awesome day and I'll see you guys next time. Mwah.